bonjour les amis. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. Comment ça va? Bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Can you say bonjour Ananas so that she can join our class? Can you say that again? Bonjour Ananas. Oh, I can hear her coming. I think she's coming. Oh, there she is. Hello Ananas. Hello. Oh, I think she's having a good day. Now, Ananas joins us for French class because she helps us learn our sounds and our words. And if you're a little bit scared and you want to have a friend beside you, go ahead. You can bring your favorite stuffy if you would like to. But French is not a scary language to learn. It's a lot of fun. So let's get started. First, we need une couleur. Couleur is a color. So repeat the colors after me. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, noir. Today I'm wearing ma casquette rouge, so let's pick rouge. On va choisir rouge. There we go. So our series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 2.3, E sound, leçon 2.3, son E. Well, let's get started. Let's learn some new French words. Oh, here's a clue. Deux oreilles. 2 ears? Deux oreilles? What has 2 ears? Oh, wow. What a beautiful animal. That is called a renard. That's Mr. Fox. Renard. Can you say that? Renard. Let's clap it together to figure out combien de syllabes. How many syllables in the word? Renard. Deux. Renard. If you said 2, good job. Can you find the E sound in renard? Oui, that is renard. Now, renard has some silent letters at the end. Those letters are quiet. They don't say anything. So let's say it again together. Renard. A little faster. Renard. Good job. Merci. Let's find out our other word. There's a clue. Oh, délicieux. That is so delicious. The French word for this fruit is melon. Can you say that? Melon. Combien de syllabes dans le mot melon? Melon. Melon. 2 syllabes. If you said 2, you are correct. Can you find the E sound in melon? Aha, oui, bravo. Melon. Say it one more time. Melon. Bravo. Let's keep moving on. Oh, there's a clue. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, Ananas, what is that? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, une enveloppe. Can you say that? Enveloppe. Combien de syllabes? Enveloppe. Enveloppe. 3 syllabes. Enveloppe. It's a long word. Can you find the E sound in envelope? Oui, there it is. That's our E sound. Let's say it together one more time. Envelope. Now a little bit faster. Envelope. Envelope. Bravo. On continue, les amis. On continue. Let's get a clue. Oh, there's a clue. It's a little bit. Oh, oui. That's a wallet to put some money and some cards. So the French word for this object is portefeuille. Portefeuille. Let's see if we can clap that one. Combien de syllabes? Portefeuille. Portefeuille. 3 syllabes. Portefeuille. Bravo, mes amis. Can you find the E sound? Oui, c'est le son E. Portefeuille. Let's say it a little bit faster. Portefeuille. There we go. Merci beaucoup. Let's move on to our next word. Oh, there's an arrow. Ici, pointing to a knee. Oh, that's a hockey player. Oh, this is called un genou. Genou. Combien de syllabes dans le mot genou? Genou. Deux syllabes. Genou. Can you find the E sound in genou? Ah, oui, c'est le son E. Genou. Genou. One more time. Genou. Bravo. Let's keep moving on. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? It's a question. A question, Ananas. It's a question. Une question. Let's read the question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Est-ce que j'ai apporté mon sac? Ouh, j'ai apporté mon sac. Here it is. Mon sac. In my bag. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Est-ce qu'on va regarder, Ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? On va regarder ensemble. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Je mets ma main dans le sac. It's very light, hein? Très léger. Léger means light. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Wow! Oh, we just learned this word. Une enveloppe. Enveloppe. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans l'enveloppe? On va regarder dans l'enveloppe. C'est un marqueur. Un marqueur bleu dans l'enveloppe. Wow. Well, maybe Madame will take a break and write a message. I had so much fun today, les amis. I hope you had a great time. We'll see you next time in our next lesson. Bonne journée. Au revoir, les amis. Au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir, Ananas. Au revoir, Madame. Au revoir, les amis. See you next time.